Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the phone has enough charge and is stable. Plug in if under 20%. Press and hold power until the power menu appears, then choose Restart or Power Off to begin. If you power off, wait 10 seconds and power on. As it boots, look for a safe mode label or icon. This tells you the system loaded limited services. Once done, you'll be ready to identify whether third-party apps or settings triggered safe mode. You're now in safe mode, where only system apps run, which makes isolating the culprit much faster. Open Settings and go to Apps, then sort by recently opened or installed date to find likely offenders. Uninstall or force stop one suspicious app at a time. After each change, reboot normally to test whether safe mode still appears. This stepwise approach shows how one broken or incompatible app can force the device into safe. If removing apps doesn't resolve it, clear the app cache and data, and consider wiping the system cache partition. This often fixes corrupted temporary files. Backup important data, because if nothing else works, you should perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure your photos and contacts are saved. If safe mode still persists after those steps, try alternate boot methods with hardware buttons or seek professional repair. This indicates deeper firmware or hardware issues that simple app fixes won't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.